Hey guys, just finishing up the day, ready to head into the house. I'm cutting wood most of the afternoon. It's turned out to be a pretty day today. We figured we'd get some done before the snowstorm hits tomorrow. Let's hope it doesn't.
Because I got to work.
I gotta work too.
I got to work longer.
But between cutting up the old trees here, where we've finally got my mom's old house cleaned up that had partially burnt, got it all dozed off, and cutting up the logs that was around it, starting to look like people live here again.
We got about probably about a little over a quart of wood cut, split. We're going to use most of it, and a lot of it's going to go out to my dad, and so he can heat a shop. And so, yeah, finally got done. Now we're going to go in and get dinner cooked and call it an evening.
Ready to go to work for the week.
Yep. So, yeah, we got some weather coming in for this week. This weekend's supposed to be bad, which I got to work all weekend. So I got to make sure they got plenty of wood stocked up and ready to go for the weekend. We do have seasoned wood, so, but throw a little bit of green in with it too. But yeah, what's been down though, it's actually fairly seasoned. Checked it, and it's actually down around 20%. So yeah, we're good to go for a little while, and we'll have plenty for next year, and get more of this and get all this all cleaned up, and we got a lot more to do. So
Gotta keep after it.
Yep. So anyway, we'll see y'all next time, and stick around, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll catch y'all later and see what else we can get into.
Thanks, guys. Have fun. Bye.